In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your default search engine in Mozilla Firefox. Whether you want to switch to Google, DuckDuckGo, Bing, Yahoo, or another search provider, the process only takes a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open Firefox on your computer. Now click the menu icon in the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Type Default Search Engine into your search bar within Settings. Or on the left side of the Settings page, click Search. This section controls all of Firefox's search engine settings. At the top, you'll see the default search engine option. Click the drop-down menu. You can now choose the search engine you want Firefox to use by default. For example, if you want Google Search, simply select Google from the list. The change happens instantly. Now, whenever you search from the Firefox address bar or search bar, Firefox will use your selected search engine automatically. Once you're done, simply close the Settings tab. And that's it. You've successfully changed your default search engine in Mozilla Firefox. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Firefox tutorials, browser tips, and Windows guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.